My grandmother used to apply this to her neck every winter. Open the pad and prepare fresh ginger. Peel it and grate it. Transfer to a bowl and add olive oil. Pour warm water into a large bowl and place the ginger with the oil in it. Stir for a moment. Apply a thin layer to the center of the pad. Simply place it on your neck area to feel a pleasant, deep warmth. This is the perfect trick for cold days when the chilly air can be really felt. Apply ginger to your throat. You'll be surprised at how effective it is. In my household, nobody goes to the doctor for a sore throat, and nobody spends money on sore throat tablets. This method is a new discovery for many. The results are remarkable. First, take ginger. It has disinfectant properties and is very helpful in treating flu and colds. It is particularly recommended for sore throats. Cut off a piece. We need one such slice. Now take a lighter or candle and hold the ginger slice over the flame. This will soften it a bit. It will be easier to apply it to the throat. The heat will also enhance its properties. When the ginger softens a bit, take some Vicks VapoRub. This ointment fights viruses, which are often the cause of sore throats. It soothes pain, burning, and swelling in throat inflammation. Apply the ointment to one side of the ginger. Once applied, place the ginger piece on your neck. At throat level, the ginger must adhere to the body. Gently wrap your neck with a scarf or towel. Leave it on for half an hour. This way, you'll reduce the pain and alleviate throat inflammation. You won't have to suffer. You also won't have to spend money on expensive medications if you react quickly and stop the infection early. Place an onion on your neck. My grandmother showed me this, and now I always do it. Take an onion and cut it in half. Onions have strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, support circulation, and help open up the airways. Pierce both halves with a fork and place them on a heated pan. Warm them for about a minute to release essential oils that have soothing and decongesting effects. Next, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly to the center of the onion. This helps retain heat and prevents skin irritation. Now, place the warm onion on your neck, preferably on a sore or tense area. Cover it with a towel to keep the warmth longer. Leave it for 15 minutes and let the natural ingredients do their work. This simple and effective method helps relieve sore throats, reduce coughing, and relax neck muscles. You can use it not only during infections, but also after a long day when you feel neck tension. Natural remedies are often underrated, yet they can work better than many pharmacy treatments.